What's up, everybody? Looks like we got a package today from powerwash.com, so we're going to open it up and see what they sent us. Looks like they sent us I believe it's a 2.1 dual barb injector. And it's like they sent us some apple blossom. If you guys don't know what that is a surfactant, which is also a dye marking agent. And the point of the dual barb injector is you will hook one line to your SH tank, and you'll need another separate tank for this if you're not using a proportioner to run straight to the apple blossom. The reason for that being is if you dump the apple blossom straight into your SH, by the time you downstream it and it comes out the end of the gun, it will not be dye marking, it'll kind of not be as effective. So for it to be best effective, you'll need a dual barb injector like this, so you can run two separate lines so you get the full strength of the surfactant and your dye marking agent. Alright, I'm gonna open it up, do a smell test on it, see what it smells like. Got nice little red caps on here, so you don't have to worry about it spilling in shipment, and plus it was in a bag. Got the cap off. I'm gonna give it a smell, see what it smells like. And it's got a nice big strong smell to it. We're gonna call the Wi-Fi here, see what she thinks. Hey, you come out here and give this a smell? Yeah. I appreciate it, thank you. You come and help me go outside? Bye-bye. Tell us what you think it smells like.
Candy apples?
Candy apples. Well, thank you for helping us smell it. What are you doing? Oh. See, what color is this? Pink. Good job. So we 3 for 3. So we are really excited to get that dual barb injector set up and try out this apple blossom from powerwash.com. It's going to work really good for our first house wash of the season, being both partial house washes. They are neighbors. So if you don't mind, hit the like, subscribe, leave a comment and a thumbs up, and you'll see our next video testing out the apple blossom. We greatly appreciate it, and you're more than welcome to use my code for powerwash.com. It is my last name, Mattox, M-A-T-T-O-X, and the number 5. I will put that down in the bottom of the video. So if you guys got an order thing, you're more than welcome to use it. Thanks, have a great day.